Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
CapCut Keyframe tutorial. So here I'm gonna give you how to full guide on a keyframe tutorial on CapCut. So at the keyframe tutorial, so I can to move a to use a keyframe tutorial, first add two images. So this works better if there's two images, the one that walks and the one that stays just in the background. Say this image right here. Say you want that image to walk right here to here. It's a keyframe right there. Just click on the video. But first thing, put the character right there at the top. Small character right there. Then click on transform. Then right here, he, she, the cat should be over right here. So put the information there. So whenever it's gonna walk, boink, like that. And then let's say you want him to go, the she want to go right here. Click on transform, make a move right here. There you go. Now we're gonna play the video. So let's see. Boink, 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 boink. So we're gonna remove that so we'll see what it looks like. The cat goes right there and there. As you can see, we got ourselves a nice creamer video right there. Now you can do that also in text. So here you can do that on text also. We can and quick tip for you guys. You can do that in multiple objects in a single video. Let's say this fish right here. Let's say she's chasing the fish right here. Before we go to the text, say she's chasing the fish. The fish is gonna be right here. So let's say the fish is there. Then right here, the fish is gonna move. There's right here. And after that, once you're gonna reach it, we're gonna move it right over here. Fish should be over right here. Then here. Then she will catch the fish right here. Her mouth. And there you go. So now we're gonna play it. So so the fish should start right over here. Let's see. I'll let you get what I mean. So start the video. The fish right here first. So once you start the video, it's gonna capture it. There you go. Now we're gonna play the whole video. 3, 2, 1, go. Try to catch it. Then she caught it. There you go. Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. Boom, boink. Catch it. Like she catch the fish. So there you go. As you can see, I just remove the highlighted thing so it will look. See, it looks like there you go. She got the fish. Now we're going to teach you how to do it on text. So text right here, add in a text image right here. You can use some any of the effects right here. We're gonna put in some a little bit of effects so it will look good. So let's put this effect right here. So let's say that effect right there. And let's put in the word maybe good, something like that. No, good. The word good right there. Put the word good. We're gonna increase its size. So now, how are we gonna put a keyframe right here? How can we move it? Yeah, how can we move it and all of that stuff? So let's say, how can we move this? Make it move. So to make it move, all we need to do is right click on that compound clip right there. Add a compound clip above the video right there. So you see right here. Now we can transform it. So here we have transformation, transform. Now let's say right here, this letter is gonna go small. Then it's gonna go right here. Then right here. Letter is gonna go right here. Right here. And for the last one, letter is gonna go big. Like that. Transform. So there you go. Now once we play it, so there you go. There you go. As you can see, now we have moved the text. So let's say, but it looks bad because there's a white thing. It's covering of the fish. Now how do we do that? So to do that, I suggest the removing the background. So to remove a background here, click on remove the background. Just choose the image right here, the text, and then click on Chrome key, and then choose the white color right there on the video right there. Oh, there you go. Move that right there. So once there you go. As you can see, now it doesn't block. As you can see, now it doesn't block the cat or the fish. Now you can see both of them. So there you go, guys. That's the full guide of it. Full guide of using the keyframe, as you can see right there. Whoop, bap, bap. There you go. So that's how you do it. You can do it on multiple images, and you can also do it on text. You don't have to. Before, when you're gonna use CapCut, you need to um, uh, compound the clip. Then you're gonna download it. Then once you download it, you're just gonna get it on a file, then get the file and put it right here. No, that's a little bit too much work. So now we can just do this. What I did, you can just do that. As you can see, you can just do it's much more easier. Just do this. Just create a compound clip and then add the text. Then add the text. Then another background for it. Then create a compound clip. Then make it attach it or put it or put it above an image or put it below an image depending on what you want, so the text would move. So there you go, guys. That's the full what they call this full guide of the keyframe. Hope you guys like the video, because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.